this is the rabbit hole I have gone down. So this is the wiring for the VFD that I have. And what I have is a potentiometer for speed, VU meter, so if I want to measure what its current speed is, I could do that. And then run forward, run reverse, and then there's these two jumpers, and then there's switch 1, 2, 3, and what they do is speed, 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 and then there's a jog button. So there's these two jumpers, and I believe it won't work without both jumpers. So I have run forward, run reverse, speed, speed, speed. And where it's taken me is into a question about this. And what I have is low, stop, high, and reverse, stop, forward. Where does this get extra complicated? Here. So what I have are the switches that were underneath the lathe. Oh man. These two rods connect these two levers. Click. There's a click here. What does that click do? So there is a brake in the spindle. It'll still run. So like if the motor was still engaged, it would still spin it a little bit, but there would be this brake applied, and like it is an important thing for this to be a stop position. So this stop position that it needs to have has to have a command that says stop, stop. So, and then this one down here, reverse, stop, forward, reverse, stop, stop. More stops. It just has more places to stop. You know, I'm at the machine, grab it, stop, stop. So I have breakaway contacts here. So here, this one used to be for forward and reverse, and this one used to be for high speed, low speed. It bit me. Where's that bite? Oh, it bit me. And then I have this pair acting as that jumper, and this pair acting as that jumper. So if the machine is in stop or stop or stop, either or stops should kill this motor from running. Well, I printed it out on one of my little labels. So here, that jumper and that jumper, I made them both brown, right? So no confusion. Brown. So that jumper and that jumper are both brown. And then run, reverse, and run forward. So this would be relative to this point here, which is ground. Run, reverse, run forward. So this switch. Wow, watch this. So I'm shorting these two for my run forward. Oh, sorry. So one way, I don't give a shit which way it is. I don't care yet. I'll figure that logic out. Run this way, and then run that way. So it shorts this one to this pin here in this position, and in this position here it shorts it to here. So that's my switch 1. So that's my, no, sorry, that's run forward, run reverse. And I think I did the same thing. So the oranges are the same position. So on this one, and then on this one. So this way. Ooh, that's a great question. Yeah. So the logic also lines up between the two. So they will behave exactly the same. You got to label them. You got to make sure they plug in where they're supposed to. But these two electrically behave the same, and the positions behave the same. So in this position here, matching this one, my orange and my ground, my orange and my green ground are open, and my greens are shorted. Here, my green is shorted to that pin. This pin is open because it connects on this bobbity boo bob over to this contactor here. And then this pin, once it flicks open, no contact, emergency shut off. And then now this pin is shorted here. So this pin is shorted here. This pin is not, it's shorted over here. And this goes to nowhere. Same thing over here. So this one is now connected to the green, and the green is making good. Sorry. Orange, making good. Here I had to do some trickery. So this, and then this one over here, I had to jumper this one to this one. So it's like, okay, this pin, oops, sorry, this pin, yeah, and then this one. So now it's making contact here. So contact is being made here. Well, I think I put that jumper on the wrong side. So that jumper should have been over here, because, oh no, it can't be over there. Oh, I gotta redo this one. I gotta rethink this one. Oh well. Anyway, this will mount under here. I've got it right now temporarily on these two consumable RJ45s. Oh, they're going to wire to here. So they're going to wire here to the VFD. And then these will control the bridge port. Yeah, it goes. So it's low speed, high speed, reverse, stop, forward. So pushing any of these, one click will stop it. That's the goal for this. And it will be within an arm's reach of this. Click, click. And then when I change the breakpoint, that will be this.